DJI may be gearing up to shake up the compact gimbal world once again. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 Pro is reportedly moving through the approval process, a big step that usually signals a public release isn't far off. Leaked details are already giving us our first glimpse at what might be DJI's most powerful pocket gimbal yet. The device reportedly packs a 1545 mAh battery at 7.7 volts, which hints at longer shooting times than ever before. And here's the kicker, an official-looking video of the Osmo Pocket 4 Pro has leaked online. Released by his drone studio, this promo gives us a look at what DJI might be calling the top-tier model in the Pocket 4 series. So, what's new with the Pro version? First, the camera layout. The Pocket 4 Pro reportedly features 2 vertically stacked camera modules, plus 2 additional buttons that appear when the display is rotated. This is a clear signal DJI is rethinking usability, making it easier to control advanced features on the fly. Early leaks suggest the Pro model might be bulkier than its predecessor, with larger vents and a slightly more robust frame. That's probably a trade-off for better cooling, more power, and possibly higher quality sensors. Timing-wise, the Pocket 4 Pro isn't expected to launch alongside the standard Pocket 4. Reports now point to a May or June release, giving DJI a few extra months to fine-tune this pro-level upgrade. Why does this matter? For vloggers and mobile filmmakers, DJI's pocket gimbals are already a go-to for ultra-portable stabilization. The Pro model could elevate performance, especially for creators who want cinematic quality without lugging around a full-size rig. Longer battery life, dual camera versatility, and smarter controls could make this the ultimate compact tool. Of course, a slightly delayed release means we'll have to wait a bit longer. But if DJI delivers meaningful upgrades, it will likely be worth it. From compact design to professional-grade performance, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 Pro looks like it could redefine what we expect from tiny, ultra-portable gimbals. So, stay tuned. As soon as DJI confirms launch details, you'll want to know when and where to grab this camera. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for the latest updates on DJI, drones, and action cameras. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.